Diet change for weight loss. One of the most important things to do when you are trying to get in shape is taking caution of your diet. This does not take any time from your schedule, and you will feel much healthier when you eat the right foods in the right quantity. One of the best ways to change your diet is to change to an organic one. It is good to increase the fiber in your diet, which will clean out your colon of all negative weight loss inhibitors. This means that instead of eating refined or processed foods, you should eat whole grain foods like brown rice and whole wheat bread. This has more fiber and less bad fats such as trans fat and cholesterol. You should also increase your input of protein, minerals and vitamins. To do this, it is good to eat more fruits and vegetables and substitute red meat for fish and chicken. These meats have less calories and fat and still provide more protein. One of the most important parts of changing your diet is to completely eliminate junk food. This will include candy, chips, popcorn, ice cream, milkshakes and soda. You can substitute fruits and vegetable snacks instead. Instead of sodas, you can drink water or dilute juice with water for flavor. You will find this makes a huge difference in your sugar and fat intake. Keeping fit does not just depend on exercises, diet also plays an important part in improving your fitness. Remember that looking after your health and staying fit is an investment in yourself and something you should not neglect, or you will find that you will regret poor health habits later. Diet is one part of staying fit that does not take any time, and you will reap the benefits throughout your life once you get into a good habit. With these few points, you can make huge strides towards staying fit and healthy and being able to do the things you want to do.